Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In this video we are going to look at how to multiply numbers. We're going to look at how to multiply 2 digit by 2 digits, 3 digit by 2 digits, and also 4 digit by 2 digits, inshallah. In the first place, we are going to look at how to multiply 2 digit by 2 digits. I have here 45 multiplied by 23. To multiply the numbers, we have to start. We write the first number, which is 45, and we write 23 underneath. And we have to start with the number here, the unit number, which is 3. And then when we multiply 3 by 5, we get 15. This number 15 here, we have to write the 5. And then remainder 1, we carry it forward. And we have to multiply 3 by 4 to get 12. And then we add the 1 to 8 to get 13. Then we write our 13 here. We are done using this number. If you are done using the unit number, you write 0 under 5 here. The moment you finish using the unit number, you write 0 under whatever you get here. And then you start using the tens, the next number, which is 2. 2 multiplied by 5 is 10. 10, we write the units, which is 0, and then we carry this forward. 2 multiplied by 4 is 8 plus the 1, which is 9. Then what we do here is we add the result we get from multiplying this. And then when we add this to that, we get 5. When we add this, we get 3. And when we add this, we get 10. This is our result, multiplying the number. Okay, so let's look at a second example in multiplying 2 digits. We are going to multiply 54 times 66. So we're going to write our 54 multiplied by 66. And what do we do next? We multiply this by that. 6 by 4 is going to give us 24. So 24, what do we write? We write this 4. Then we're going to carry the 2 forward. So 6 times 5 gives us 30. So the 30 plus 2 is 32. So we write our 32. We are done using this number here. So what do? Is we bring 0 here before we use the next number, which is the tens. So we multiply 6 by 4 to give us 24. So we write 4 again, and then we carry the 2 forward. And then we have to multiply 6 times 5, which is 30. 30 plus 2, which is 32. So we are now going to add this number here. So when we add this, we get 4. When we add this, we get 6. When we add this, we get 5. And nothing plus 3 is 3. So this is our answer. We're gonna move on to look at how do we multiply 3 digits by 2 digits. So we're now going to look at 3 digits by 2 digits. I have 831 times 45. We are going to multiply 831 times 45. So always we write the biggest number first. You arrange the numbers in such a way that units will be under units, tens will be under tens. Okay, so we're going to multiply this by that. So we're going to start with the 5, we multiply, after that we bring the 0, and then we start with the 4, and then we multiply. Alright, so the 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 3 is 15. So the 15, what do we write? We write the 5, and then we carry the 1 forward. So 5 times 8 is 40 plus 1, which is 41. I'm done using this number here, so I have to bring the 0, and then multiply. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. So the 12, I'm going to write the 2 and then carry the 1. And then 4 times 8 is 32 plus 1, which is 33. So now I'm adding. 5 plus 0 is 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. 5 plus 2 is 3. 4 plus 7 is 4 plus 3 is 7. And nothing plus 3 is 3. So that is my final answer. Let's look at another example on multiplying 3 digits by 3 digits. Okay, we're going to multiply 483 times 2, 4. So the same way, we have to multiply 4 times 3 to get 12. So 12 I write by 2, carry 1. 4 times 8 is 32 plus 1, which is 33. I write 3, carry 3. And then 4 times 4 is 16. 16 plus 3 is 19. Then I have to multiply 2 times 3, which is 6. But I'm not going to write it here. After using this number, I have to bring the 0. So I write my 6 here. And this 2 times 8 is 16. So I write my 6, carry 1. And then 2 times 8 is 2 times 4 is 8 plus the 1, which is 9. So I have to add all my result here. So 2 plus 0 is 2, 9, 15, 5, carry 1, 10, 11. Okay, so let's move on to look at how to multiply 4 digits by 2 digits. We're going to look at how to multiply 4 digits by 2 digits. Okay. we're going to multiply. We're going to multiply 4,672 times 32. So what we need to do is to just write our 4,672 and 32 underneath. We're going to multiply it here. So we have to multiply 2 times 2, which is 4. 2 times 7 is 14, so we write 4, carry 1. 2 times 6 is 12, plus 1, which is 13, so 3, carry 1. 2 times 4 is 8, plus 1, which is 9. And then we move to the 3, but we have to always, when we are done with one number, the unit number, we bring the 0. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 7 is 21, so we write 1, carry 2, 21. So we have to write this and then carry 2. 3 times 6 is 18, 18 plus 2, which is 20, so we write a 0, carry 2. 3 times 4 is 12 plus 2, which is 40. Okay, so what we're gonna do is to add these numbers. So when we add this, we get 4. When we add this, we get 10, which is 0. We're gonna write and then carry 1 here. So when we add this, we get 4 plus 1, which is 5. When we add this, we get 9 and then 14. That is our answer. Okay, we're gonna do one last example on how to multiply 4 digits by 2 digits, and then we move on to the last part of it, which is multiplying 4 digits by 3 digits. Okay. Okay, we're going to multiply 5,136 by 23. Three times 6 is 18, so 8 carry 1. 3 times 9, 3 times 3 is 9, plus 1, which is 10, so 0 carry 1. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1, which is 4. 3 times 5 is 15. I'm done using the unit, so 0. And 2 times 6 is 6. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 1 is 2. And then 2 times 5 is 10. I'm gonna add everything. So when I add this, I get 8, 6, 4 plus 6 is 10. So 0 carry 1 here. And then I'm gonna add this to get 7 plus 1, which is 8. And I add 1 and 0, I get 0. I get 1, and there is nothing. So nothing plus 1 is 1. That is my answer. So now let's move on to how we are going to multiply the 4-digit number by, we're going to look at how to multiply 4-digit number by 3-digit number. We're going to multiply 4-digit number by 3-digit number. So when you talk about a 4-digit number, like 4753 multiplied by 456. What do? We write the biggest number first, which is the 4 digits. So 4753, and then multiply by 654. 6 times 3 is 18. What do I write? I have to write the 8 and then carry the 1 forward. So 6 times 5 is 30. 30 plus 1, which is 31. So I have to write 1, carry the 3 forward. And then 6 times 7 is 42. 42 plus 3 is 45. So 45, I have to write the 5, carry the 4 forward. And then 6 times 4 is 24. 24 plus 4 is 28. And then I'm done using the 6, so I'm gonna write 0 here and then use the 5. So 5 5 times 3 is 15, so 5. And then carry 1. 5 times 5 is 25 plus 1, which is 26. So 6, carry 2. 5 times 7 is 35 plus the 2, which is 37. So I'm going to write 7, carry 3. And then 5 times 4 is 20. 20 plus 3 is 23. So I'm going to write all because I do not have any number. So I'm going to write 23. And I'm done using 2 numbers. So I have to now write 2 zeros. And use the last number. 4 times 3 is 12. So what do I write? I'm going to write 2, carry 1. 4 times 5 is 20. And I'm 20 plus 1, which is 21. So I have to write 1 and then carry 2. And I'm going to multiply 4 times 7, which is 28 plus 2, which is 30. So I have to write 0, carry 3. And then 4 times 4 is 16. 16 plus 3 is 19. And I'm going to add everything here to get my answer. When I add everything here, I get 8. When I add everything here, I get 6. When I add everything here, 11, 12, 13, I get 13. So write 3, carry 1. So when I add everything here, I get 16 plus the 1, which is 17. When I add this, I'm going to get 5 plus the 1, which is 6. This is 11. And then carry the 1 here. Then I get my 2. So that is our answer here. We get. Okay, we're going to do last example on multiplying 4 digit by 3 digits. Two, 7, 8, 9 times 'We're gonna write our biggest number, which is 2789 times 243. Alright, so when we multiply this number here, we're going to get 18. So we write our 8, carry 1, and then we multiply this, we get 16 plus the 1, which is 17. So 7, carry 1 again, and then we multiply this, we get 14 plus the 1, which is 15. So we write 5, carry 1. Then we multiply this, and that we get 4 plus the carry 1, which is 5. So we write our 0 because we're done using this number here. We're going to use this number here. So when I multiply 4 times 9, I'm going to get 36. Okay, so 36, what do I write? 6, carry 3. When I multiply this, I'm going to get 32 plus 3, which is 35. So I write 5 carry 3, and I'm going to multiply 4 times, multiply this to that, okay, and I multiply 4 times 7. 4 times 7 is 28. 28 plus 3, which is 31. So I'm going to write 1, carry 3 forward. And I'm going to multiply 4 times 2, which is 8. 8 plus 3, which is 11. Okay, so I'm done using two numbers, so 2 zeros underneath, and I'm gonna use this one here, a 3. So 3 times 9, which is 27, so 7, and then 7, and then remainder 2, and then 3 times 8 is 24 plus the 2, which is 26. So I'm gonna write 6 carry 2. 3 times 7 is 21 plus the 2, which is 23. So 3 carry 2. 3 times 6. Sorry, 3 times 2 is 6 plus the 2. 6 plus the 2, which is 8. So I'm going to add everything here to get my answer. So this, when I add everything, I get 0. When I add here, I get 13. So 3 carry 1. When I add everything here, I get 17 plus 1, which is 18. Carry 1. When I add everything here, I get 12 plus 1, which is 13. And I add 4, 5, and I get 9. So that is my answer. Yes. Multiply the following. Try your hands on these questions for me. Question from A up to F.